Welcome to the Mashed Potatoes Outdoor Show. This is camping and travel vlog number 15. Today I'm in central Louisiana, hiking the Valentine Lake Nature Trail. This is going to be another fun video. Don't go anywhere. As some of you know, I'm currently camping in my pop-up camper, traveling the United States. Yesterday I was in Oklahoma, and then I drove 500 miles. Now I'm in central Louisiana, staying at the Hidden Treasure RV Resort. I met the owners, Tim and Angie. I got unpacked. I love it so far. Tim and Angie have been very welcoming. Makes me feel right at home. So this is my first video in central Louisiana. This is a short trail, 1.8 miles, and it's kind of gloomy today, so I'm going to do another workout video, give you some tips, and just kind of explain some things along the way. But let's get this thing started. Here we go. Pretty humid down here today in central Louisiana, so before I get all hot and sweaty, I wanted to mention something real quick. So for me, staying fit has been a very important part of my life, and I wanted to mention a few tips that I have kind of incorporated into my daily living, because it's actually quite easy to stay fit if you focus on it. So first of all, the diet is easily 80% of the equation. You know, our American diet has become so processed and so much fast food that people just take what's quick and easy rather than actually planning out their diet. So what I do is I loosely follow the keto diet, high fat, medium protein, low carbs, and then I take a few key supplements. I do the electrolyte capsules and I do creatine capsules, and I try to make my workouts fun and interesting, like I am today. Hiking, doing a workout in the woods, this kind of stuff. And so I do 6 staple exercises, and I kind of make sure I do all 6 when I go work out, incorporate a little bit of stretching. But the 6 exercises are pretty easy: push-ups, pull-ups, chin-ups, and then I do dips and calf raises and squats. So the reason I do these kinds of videos is because I'm just trying to motivate you and make it showing that it can be fun and exciting. And my days are definitely better when I stay fit. After I eat an entire pizza, you know, rewarding myself, I kind of feel bloated and, why did I do that? But I actually just use it as motivation for the following week to stay more disciplined. So I'm kind of walking around the lake here, and then it goes out and around a little bit. So I'm looking for places to do some pull-ups and some chin-ups and all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and keep on moving. Here we go. You know what's really so fun about this is that you almost don't even feel like you're working out, kind of like when you go rollerblading. You're just zooming through the neighborhood, burning calories, not even realize it. Or if you're on a trampoline, you're just having so much fun, you don't even realize that you're getting a good workout. Looking for the obstacles or the objects that I'm going to do my dips on and that I'm going to do my pull-ups on. It just kind of keeps your mind busy and you're not even thinking about exercising or working out. Not to mention, check out the gym I'm working out in. I mean, this place is beautiful. So don't go anywhere. I'm going to challenge myself to a push-up contest at the end of this video. I'm convinced I can do more than one push-up per second. Let's see what I've got. Don't go anywhere. So I'm struggling to find a place to do my chin-ups on, but I think if I just go down to my knees on this one, I can make this one work. So let's check it out. A little bit unconventional, but I made it work. Yeah, man. All right, I'm going for 40 push-ups in 35 seconds. I normally do 20 push-ups, so let's see what I got. I wanted to mention really quickly, since this is my camping and travel vlog, this trail is actually at a campground. It's called the Valentine Lake North Shore Campground, and the sites are pretty sizable. They don't have electric hookup and they don't have water right at the site, but they do have water stations around the campground, but they are only $10 a night. No pull-through sites, they're all back in, but they're pretty sizable. So I'm going to show you a couple of sites really quick, because it's not easy to find campgrounds, nice campgrounds that go for just $10. So I thought I'd mention that real quick. Let me capture some of these sites on video and keep this thing moving. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna have to check the instant replay to see whether or not I met my goal. But this place is pretty fun. You know, getting out is what it's all about. And I hope you enjoyed the video. That's all I've got for you today. Thanks for watching the Nash Potatoes Outdoor Show. I'll be in central Louisiana for 2 weeks. Then I'm off to Gulf Shores, Alabama for a month. So if you're familiar with either one of these places and have some tips or ideas on places I should visit, let me know in the comments section of this video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.